Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your hacked Roblox account with no email and phone number. All right, so first up, you gotta open up your favorite browser, could be your phone or your computer. Now in here, just gotta type in roblox.com/support. Okay, once done, just hit enter. Now in here, it will ask you for your birthday. Just gotta enter your birthday and just hit on continue. Once that's done, it will ask you for your username, okay, which is optional. But if you remember your username, or if your username has been changed, just make sure to enter that past username, okay, so that it will be easy for Roblox support to find your account. Now in here, enter your first name and email address. As you can see here, it needs an email address, but don't worry, just enter a secondary email address so that Roblox support can use it to contact you, okay. Enter the secondary email address. Once done, confirm the secondary email address. Then just select what device you've used to play with that specific account. For example, PC, type of help category, account hacked, or account login. Okay. Subcategory right here, account hacked, and just describe your issue. Okay. Say for example, hi, my account was hacked. My username was, and it's been changed to, okay. Just go ahead and enter as much details as you can. And once that's done, just hit on continue and then wait for Roblox reply to the email that you just entered in here. And that is it. Once you have received the email, just for about 48 hours, just wait for it. Once you've received it, Roblox support might give you credentials to log in or just give you additional steps to recover your account. But that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.